My love for chicken wings knows no bounds, and this is one of my favorite recipes. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I share with you how to make the best crispy chicken wings using Chinese style. It is super delicious and easy to make. Just with simple and the right ingredients, you are good to go. Please continue watching and trust the process. Now let's begin. We start by cutting up and scoring the chicken wings, just like so. Afterwards, we proceed to washing them with some salt and lemon. Please, you can wash before cutting, whichever one you prefer to do first. Alright, let's proceed. At this point, we are done with the cutting. Now proceed to washing them and transfer in a bowl. Moving on to the next stage. Season with half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Make sure to increase all the ingredients if you're making more than this. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Next ingredient is black pepper. I'll go ahead and squeeze out some black pepper to it. Lastly, drizzle some sesame oil and mix to well combine. All done. Let's allow it to marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, this is the interesting part. For the crunch and crispiness, go in with 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of your flour, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You can substitute it to breadcrumbs. Now, mix to well combine. All done. Let's proceed to deep frying them. So in a pan, go in with enough vegetable oil. Now, to give it onion flavor, I'll go ahead and drop onion into the oil. And once the oil is heated, go in with the chicken and fry to perfection, that is until golden brown. Make sure to flip in between, and the more you fry, the more crispier it becomes. So it's on you. Fry it for a longer time if you want it more crispier. As simple as that. Please, if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. Here I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes, baking, delectable small chops, and snacks. So if it sounds interesting to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you become part of the family. Okay? Thank you. At this point, it is looking like it, but we're going to fry some more. Just go ahead and flip the other side. Okay? Checking back, and at this point, guys, it is set. Remember what I said, the more you fry, the more crispier it becomes, okay? Oh my, look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Guys, this recipe is a must try. It is looking all golden and beautiful. Now let's take it off the oil. Please let me use this medium to appreciate all my newest and returning subscribers. Guys, thank you so much for all your support. I appreciate and I love you all. Now, let's garnish it up lastly by sprinkling some salt, ground chili, and dry parsley. And if you've watched to this point, you've done well. Thank you so much. It means you are enjoying the video. You may consider liking it and sharing for others to learn. Subscribe if you haven't, okay? And there you have it, our delicious, crunchy, crispy, juicy chicken wings is set. Guys, give it a go and help me share it to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out also. Thank you. Now, this is the best part for me. Testing time, guys. It's about to go down. Come and grab yours. It will go around. Let's test it together, guys. Just good. Look at how crispy it is on the outside and juicy in the inside. It tasted super good, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Yes, a trial will convince you. We've come to the end of today's cooking. See you in my next one. Bye.